Welcome to my video on easy food for DIY. In this video, I'm going to cover daily life of people who live in the remote area. In this video, everyone can see how they crabbing in the muddy land. He looked for areas with muddy banks and shallow water. Mud crabs like to live in areas with muddy banks and shallow water, so this is a good place to start his search. Mud crabs burrow into the mud to hide, so look for holes in the mud. He see a hole, gently poke it with his hand. If a crab pops out, he found a good spot. Mud crabs are most active at low tide, so this is the best time to go crabbing. He can take some time to find crabs, so he need to be patient and persistent. With a little effort, he can catching crabs in no time. Living with nature is a place of mystery and excitement. There are always new things to discover, from the plants and animals to the hidden trails and waterfalls. For people who live to explore and have a sense of adventure, nature is the perfect place to live. The jungle can be a very peaceful place. The sounds of the birds and the insects can be very calming, and the lush vegetation can provide a sense of privacy and seclusion. For people who are looking for a place to relax and escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life, the jungle can be a great option. The jungle is a place where people can connect with nature in a way that is not possible in many other places. The abundance of plants and animals can help people to appreciate the beauty of the natural world, and the fresh air and sunshine can be very invigorating. If you're interested in learning more about wildlife, then you've come to the right place in this video. I'm going to share with you everything that you need to know. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back next week with another video. In the meantime, you can follow us on Facebook page. Thanks again for watching.